experience.
How can I prepare myself and my family for the loss of our pet?
Ooh, it is tough. I feel like our grieving starts, as soon as you really even think about this process or the idea of making this decision, you're grieving right away. And then you have to make that call. That phone call is so hard, and you can already start crying and getting very emotional then. And then you come to the day and it's even harder. And, so how do you prepare? That's a great question. And I don't have a perfect answer. I think it really depends on the family, whether that be you do kind of all your bucket list items that's left, whether that be taking a beach trip, taking a mountain trip, going to their parks that they love to go to, or, doing all these things that your pet really loves to do, even if it's just sitting outside in the sunbeams. How beautiful is that? So you can kind of prepare, I think, by doing those bucket list items so that you're getting that good time, those good memories before you have this really hard day. And then I think that makes that day a little bit lighter. It's just one of these things we're just trying to make a really tough experience a little less difficult. And so other things that, families can do, you can plan out these, kind of memorial ceremonies or prayers, poems, songs, all these things I think are helpful that kind of give us that peace within us that we're making the right decision. We're showing our love and our affection and showing off that bond, that we have with them. And I think that helps the grief process a lot. It helps us kind of, process our feelings and emotions. And then, of course, talking to a professional, getting a therapist, having, someone, even just a good friend that has a good listening ear, having that support system is a huge benefit. And it could just be somebody that you talk to on the phone, that you do video calls with, that's there with you. You can, go out for coffee or whatever. So you just need somebody sometimes to talk to and kind of vent. And so I think that can help a little bit. And you can lean on your family, friends, professionals, anything like that, I think can be very beneficial.